Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu purchased 4 she-camels in exchange for a she-camel and gave the guarantee that he would hand this camel over to the owner at Rabada. Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "Sometimes one camel is better than the two." Hazrat Rafi bin Khudej purchased a camel in exchange for 2 she-camels. He handed one over to him, and as far as the second is concerned, he said, "I will bring it tomorrow if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wills." Ibn Musayyib said, in case of animals, there is no usury in exchange one camel for two and one nanny goat for two, though it is on credit. Ibn Sirin said, there is no harm in getting one camel in exchange for 2 she-camels and 1 dirham in exchange for 2 on credit. Hazrat Sabit radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha was one of the captives. So first Hazrat Daya Kalabi got her, then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got her. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2228.